Hey,
That was good. That was good, though.
hey, little gangster just came in online.
Yeah, that was good. That was good. I like that.
All right. Hey, she just came online, man.
Yeah, she'll probably pop in here in a moment.
Here's another one you don't have, man. Listen, I'm gonna pass this on to you, all right? And I'm gonna ask you to pass this on to what's his name?
Rick.
Rick.
Yeah.
Rick, man. I
Yeah.
don't have you on my contact list. Okay.
The,
Yes, you
the,
do.
yeah, you do. It's urban dot
Yeah, I'll
hero.
send you a.
Urban dot hero. Just give it to him.
All right.
Hey,
Yeah.
look, I'm about to walk away from the computer for a moment.
Okay.
All right.
For what? What you about to do? Smoke one?
Nah, man, I gotta take a bathroom break.
Oh. There you go.
Ah, okay, okay, I got you. All right. I don't know if you have these people or not, but let me take a look. You probably don't, because it, it's really obscure. Hold on a second. I'll bring this up. Okay, where is that? Push the button. All right, here we go. Here it is. I'm gonna throw it to you. Oh fuck! Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Hang on. Hang on. Wait. 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 The title's not correct. Ah shit. Yeah, let me correct that. Let me correct it.
Yeah, go for it.
I hate it when that shit happens. Ah, god damn it. Let me see. Okay. Oh, where is the file? Where is the file? Okay. All right. All right. Correct that. Okay. Here we go. All right. That should be correct.
Chemical Brothers?
Yep. Let me see. Is it going through?
No, you canceled. Canceled.
Oh, all right. All right. Hold on a second. Push the button. Come on, damn it. Oh, why the fuck is it not? Didn't go through. What the fuck, man? All right. Wait, wait. Let me close that out. I'll open it up again. That's what the problem is. 'Cause since I opened up the folder, it wants me to close it back out before it'll let me update the file. All right. Here we go. Close out. The hell is everything for? Okay, minimize, 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 minimize. Sorry, it's taking so long. Here we go. Open back up. It's a finicky little pain in the ass, man. This thing.
Oh no, we don't want to do it because we're temperamental today.
Yeah, temperamental. I don't fucking believe this. Come on, man. The hell? Music. All music. Alright, now go to the bottom of the list and push the button. There it is. Alright. Okay. It should come through now. There we go. pretty clear. Welcome back, Jane. It's pretty clear, Rick. For this particular song, it's 6.1 megabytes at 128 kbps. I got the other one, the identical song, same song, right? 350 some odd kbps. You know how big that file is? It's an MP3, one song. The one that's 350 some odd kbps is 17 megabytes. One song.
Yeah.
Yeah, let me know what you think about that. Ow, 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 motherfucker, goddamn. Ow. Fucking A. Ah. Oh yeah, something else that you probably never heard before. Here we go.
Friday in the afternoon. That is so cool.
What happened?
Oh, it's just so sometimes when they sign documents, they'll tell you the day and when they wrote it. You know, like almost like a timestamp.
Mm-hmm.
And I just think that's really neat. So you can actually know when these guys sat down. It was a Friday. It was in the afternoon in 1596, and they sat down and wrote this thing. Love it.
Cool. Hey, Rick, man, you still there?
Yeah, I'm here.
Hey, I got just to let you know, I got 3 more for you, okay?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I heard this.
Okay. Did the artwork come through too? For the album?
Nah.
No? Oh, shit. Hold on a second.
What is this too? The Via Savoy? What is that?
Vesuvio?
Yeah.
Oh, that's music from Calabria and Napoli. Vesuvio is a song, and it's a band. The band